Hello children, let's start the computer class. Today's topic is let's know about Windows 7 chapter number 3. So let's begin. Chapter 3, let's know about Windows 7. Okay. Windows 7. Windows 7 is one of the most popular operating system software. You know about the operating system? What is the work of the operating system? It creates a link between the computer and the user, and it runs other application programs. So Windows 7 is one of the most popular operating system software. Some other OS or operating system are Linux, Unix, Mac OS and MS-DOS. This Linux, Unix, these are known as multi-user operating system. And this DOS, MS-DOS, it is the single user operating system like Windows 7, but it works on commands. Previously, we used to give command based on which it works. Windows 7. Windows 7 operating system is made by one of the world's topmost software development companies called Microsoft. Features of Windows 7. Windows 7 has a GUI, graphical user interface. What is GUI? It is the graphical user interface, and here that means we do not have to remember all the commands like in DOS, which is CUI, character user interface, where we have to give commands for working. But in GUI, most of the work is done by the click of a mouse. With the help of the mouse, we can do all the work. It allows us to run several programs at the same time. It is very easy to learn and understand. So these are the features of Windows 7. Microsoft was developed by Bill Gates and Paul Allen on April 4, 1975. Starting Windows 7. When you switch on the computer, the operating system stored in your computer starts loading itself into its main memory, which is also known as the RAM. And this process is known as booting, B-O-O-T-I-N-G, booting. After some time, the screen appears, which is called the desktop. So this screen is known as the desktop. This is the first screen that appears from where you can start working, and this desktop contains some pictures, small pictures, which are known as the icons. All these are known as the icons. Example: computer, recycle bin, paint. These are the icons. Next, sorting desktop icons. Sort means to arrange. Now, how you will arrange all the desktop icons? So let me show you how to arrange them. So first, right click on the desktop. A menu will appear. Now if this is the mouse, this is left click and this one is right click. So whenever you will right click on the desktop, a menu will appear, which is known as the shortcut menu or pop-up menu. From there, select sort by option. From there, sort by option. Now many options you will get. Name, size, item type, date modified. Whatever you will wish, accordingly your icons will be sorted. Name, it will be sorted according to the name. Date, modify, it will be sorted according to the date modified. Like this you will have to do. Hiding desktop icons. To hide all these desktop icons, what you will have to do? You will have to right click on the desktop. Then from view option, you will have to uncheck this option. This tick mark means it is checked. This kind of boxes are known as check boxes. So you have to uncheck this box by clicking on it. Left click. Click means left click. Now see, vanish. A magic happened. no icons you can see now. So how can I bring it back? Again, right click on the desktop, go to the view option, then select again show desktop icons. You can see that it has appeared. Now, if this is the desktop, this one is known as the taskbar. Taskbar. Okay, so this one is known as the taskbar. I am showing it with the stylus. This is the taskbar. Now, at the corner you will see start button is there. If you click, you will see the start menu. Next, all the opened items will be shown over here. These are the all the opened icons which you can see from here. This. Next, if you want to open it, simply click on it. See, it is open. Now, if you want to see the desktop again, right click on the taskbar and select the option show the desktop. Selecting means always left click. Now see again, the desktop is visible to you. Changing the position of the taskbar. Now see, this is the taskbar. If I drag it by clicking on the left mouse button, I can take it to any side. Right hand side, top, left hand side, again below the taskbar. So this can be done using this property. But if you lock the taskbar, then you will not be able to move the taskbar. Now see how to lock it. Simply right click on it and select the option. Select means left click. Lock the taskbar. Now see, if I drag it, it will not move. My computer. My computer is a system folder from where you can see all the drives. Whatever is stored in the computer, you can see through this My Computer. So I am double clicking on it. Double clicking means 2 times very fast. You will have to click with the left mouse button. After clicking, you will see some drives are there. Local, disk C, data D, data E, DVD drives. So if you double click on them, you can open any folder. C drive, D drive, anything you can open from here. Say Claret, something. Some files are there which I can open from here. Okay. So let me open a file from C drive. So I will double click on C drive. From there, this GG is a folder. I will double click on it. One file is there, named H. I will again double click. So you can see something is written over there. So from the drives, you can open your file, desired file. Now see how to change the desktop background. So this is the desktop background. How can you change it in Windows 7? So right click on the desktop. From there, select the option personalize. Left click. Selection means left click. Once you click, then you will see that desktop change the visuals and sounds on your computer. One window will appear. From there, you will choose the option desktop background. Click on it. Here under picture location, Windows desktop backgrounds, you will see some pictures. Yes, these are the pictures. Simply click on the desired picture you wish and you can see that it has changed. Any picture you click, see the changes. It will be changed. And after changing, you will have to click on Save Changes. Then these changes will be saved. And close. Click Close. To shut down the computer, click Start button. Choose Shutdown option. It will show logging off and ultimately the computer will shut down.